Selling your home is more than just putting it on the MLS and a sign in your yard. Success starts with a clear plan and a strategy to make the most of your investment. Today we're sharing actionable tips to help you set the right financial goals for selling your home in 2025.
I'm Rachel Swardstrom.
And I'm Doug Swardstrom. We're your luxury real estate experts here in Orange County, California, and we're here to help you achieve your real estate goals with confidence. Let's get started.
The first step to setting your financial goals for 2025 is understanding your home's current value. The Orange County real estate market has changed significantly in recent years, and what your home was worth last year may not reflect today's reality.
A professional home valuation is key. We can help you assess your property's market value based on comparable sales, neighborhood trends, and current market conditions. Knowing where you stand is the foundation for setting realistic goals.
Next, think about your timeline. Are you looking to sell in early 2025, or do you have more flexibility? Your timeline will impact your strategy. For example, if you plan to sell in the spring, starting preparations now can give you a competitive edge in the traditionally busy market.
Once you have your timeline, it's time to consider your financial priorities. Are you aiming to maximize profit, downsize to free up equity, or invest in a larger property? Defining your objectives will guide every decision moving forward.
One important factor to address early is the cost of selling. From repairs and staging to agent commissions and closing costs, these expenses can add up. By budgeting for them now, you'll avoid surprises down the road and keep your financial goals on track.
Speaking of repairs, this is the perfect time to evaluate your home's condition. Small updates like a fresh coat of paint or landscaping improvements can make a big difference in buyer appeal. For larger projects, focus on those with the highest return on investment, like kitchen or bathroom updates.
Another key part of goal setting is understanding the market. In 2025, factors like interest rates, buyer demand, and inventory levels will play a major role in your home sale. Staying informed will help you adjust your goals and expectations as needed.
That's where working with a trusted real estate advisor comes in. We're here to guide you through every step of the process, from setting your financial goals to executing a winning sales strategy.
Remember, the more prepared you are, the smoother the selling process will be. With clear goals and a solid plan, you can make 2025 a year of real estate success.
If you're ready to set your financial goals and start preparing your home for sale, we'd love to help you. The sooner you start, the more options you'll have to create that strategy that works just for you.
Reach out to us today for a no-obligation consultation. We'll help you understand your home's value, navigate the market, and set you up for success in 2025.
We're here to provide you expert advice that you need to thrive in the Orange County real estate market if you're thinking of selling your home, or if you simply would like to do some upgrades to it.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.